Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in the studio, I'm going to show you how to change the welcome screen on your PS5 Pro. So if you go to welcome here and then go down and then go up, you can see these options now for change background, change preset, or edit widget. So I'm going to go to where it says change background. And here are the ones from PlayStation. So this is the one that comes with the PS5 Pro, the animated one. I'll probably just leave it on that one because it's probably one of the coolest ones on here. But if we scroll down, we have some, like we got the PlayStation Beach. Then we can go up to from games, and I think this is like Astrobot or something. And then we have Media Gallery. So if you take a picture or you get some sort of like achievement, I believe it takes a screenshot, and you can just use that as the background. Now another thing, if you open up the web browser and you go to like bing.com or something like that, you can literally just take a picture in that search engine and then use it as a custom background on here too. So I have one of these opened up. Let's just go to GameBase, go to messages, and then go to this one. Just type in bing.com as a message and you can open this up and then just search for whatever you want in here and just take a picture, a screenshot. And then you can go to it and you can crop it. So let's go to edit. And then you can go to crop. And you can make this smaller and you can rotate it and zoom in. Just like this. And move it where you want. And then you can use that as your background. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.